Yes, students, in the previous class, I have done the data structure. What is a structure and how or what are the operations we can do, how we can do the operations. That is the pop, push, I have told. Now see over here, I am talking about one of the operations, that is a push operation. And what is the steps, means what are the steps to perform such operation? LIFO, last in first out. This is the way how it works. Last in, whichever, like you are putting in last in, first out, that will be the first out. Or FILO, first in, means whoever goes down first in will be the last one to come out and last out. This is a stack system, like whenever you see on the stack, so whatever is going in, so that is the first in, so it will be the last out. The first in will be the last out. Now see, when we do the push operation, push means to add something, then when you use the push operation, the first step is that it checks if the stack is full. So if the stack is full, that means you cannot put anything more. So if the stack is full, that means we have to make a check. See, checks. First check, we have to give whether the stack is full or not. If it is full and you want to try to put more records to it or more items to it, what will be performing there at that time? There will be an overflow. So if the stack is full, produces an error, the overflow error, and exit. So you come out for that because you cannot enter more records or you cannot input the more items. Now next we come to the third step. So what does the third step say? If the stack is not full, so you are checking, now you find that the stack is not full. That means the stack is empty you can put more records or more items to it. So what happens if the stack is not full? It increments the top. The top, suppose this top is, first of all is equal to 0. This 0 position increments once you go. So if the stack is not full, increments the top to point next empty space. So here suppose this is filled up, so it will be added and that 0 will be coming to 1 to make room for the item to come in. So that's why if the stack is not full, increments top to point to the next empty space, right? So when it comes to empty space, what we can do? We can add the record or add the item. So over here, adds data element to the stack. So then you can add the element to the stack location where top is pointing. So very important thing is that we have to increment this top. We have to increment that. Then only it can point to and it can accept the particular item. Okay, this is the steps or like in other how you should perform in the programming. So once you know the steps and once you keep these particular steps in your mind, you will be able to do your program nicely. So in my next class, I'll be going in for push operation direct in the program, right? Thank you.